What if I told you there's a way to attend one of the biggest international conferences for museum professionals, completely free? Flights, accommodation, registration covered. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Stay with me because today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the ICOM Participation Grants that can take you to Dubai in November 2025 for the 27th ICOM General Conference. We're talking about a career-changing opportunity, global networking, and insights that can transform the way you work in museums. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is this event and why should you care? ICOM, International Council of Museums, is an international organization dedicated to museums and museum professionals. Founded in 1946, ICOM represents museums globally, promoting cultural exchange, setting international standards, advocating for museums' importance, and protecting cultural heritage. ICOM currently includes thousands of members from museums in over 140 countries. The ICOM, International Council of Museums General Conference, is one of the largest and most prestigious gatherings for museum professionals worldwide. It happens every 3 years and brings together museum directors, curators, conservators, educators, and HR professionals from all over the world to discuss new challenges, trends, and future innovations. The 2025 edition will be held in Dubai, UAE, under the theme, The Future of Museums in Rapidly Changing Communities. With the world shifting so fast, new technologies, changing visitor expectations, funding challenges, museums must adapt. This conference is where global experts will discuss how we can future-proof museums and cultural institutions. Key topics that will be discussed: how digital transformation is reshaping museums, audience engagement strategies for modern museums, HR and talent development in the museum sector, sustainability and diversity in cultural institutions, and funding and financial models for the future. Whether you're working in a museum, planning to enter this field, or just passionate about preserving culture, this conference is the place to be. Now let's talk about the big opportunity, the ICOM Participation Grants, supported by the Getty Foundation. The Getty Foundation is a philanthropic organization that is part of the J. Paul Getty Trust, based in Los Angeles, California. The foundation supports projects in arts, museums, and cultural heritage worldwide, focusing on professional development, conservation, and cultural heritage preservation. These grants cover the costs of attending the conference, including full registration fees, round-trip travel expenses, flights, accommodation in Dubai, and daily allowances for meals and transport. This means if you get selected, you'll attend a world-class conference at little to no cost, removing the biggest financial barriers to professional development. Before you get too excited, let's see if you qualify for this grant. To be eligible, you must work in a museum, cultural institution, or a related field. This includes curators, conservators, educators, HR professionals in museums, researchers, and policymakers. Be an ICOM member or affiliated with an ICOM committee. If you're not yet a member, join as soon as possible. Be from a low or middle-income country, or have a compelling reason why attending will benefit your museum and community. Preferably be a first-time attendee. Key tip: if your work aligns with the conference theme, the future of museums in rapidly changing communities, you have a higher chance of selection. Think about how your role connects with museum transformation. Are you working on new visitor engagement strategies? Are you managing HR for a changing museum workforce? This is your chance to highlight your impact. Now, let's talk about the real benefits. Why you should jump on this opportunity. 1. Global networking. Meet museum leaders, HR professionals, and cultural experts from across the world. 2. Professional growth and learning. Gain insights on new trends, technologies, and challenges in museum management. Learn about HR strategies for retaining top talent in museums. 3. Career advancement. Attending a prestigious conference adds credibility to your profile. Stand out in your industry with exclusive insights and expert knowledge. 4. Digital and technological innovations. Learn how museums are leveraging AI, VR, and digital platforms to enhance visitor experiences. 5. Impact your organization. Bring back valuable learnings to train your team, improve museum HR policies, and implement innovative engagement strategies. 6. Exclusive access to future opportunities. Some grant recipients get further opportunities for workshops, research funding, and project collaborations. In short, this isn't just a conference, it's an investment in your career and the future of museums. If you're ready to grab this opportunity, here's exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Check the official ICOM website. Go to the ICOM official website and find the Participation Grant application page. Step 2. Gather your application materials. You'll need to submit your CV or resume. Highlight your relevant museum experience, a personal statement, motivation letter. Explain why you want to attend and how it will benefit you and your museum. Recommendation letter, if required. Step 3. Submit before the deadline. Deadlines are strict. Usually applications open months in advance, so start early. Pro tip: make your application stand out by connecting your work to the conference theme. Show how you contribute to museum transformation and why your perspective is valuable. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Great news! The application deadline for the ICOM Dubai 2025 Participation Grants has been extended to March 14, 2025 at 23:59 CET. If you haven't applied yet, this is your chance. Successful applicants will be notified by mid-May 2025. Ready to take the next step? Click the official application link in the description below to get started. If you qualify, don't wait. Apply for the ICOM Participation Grant. Let me know in the comments. Would you attend this conference if given the chance? What challenges do you think museums face in rapidly changing communities? Like, share, and subscribe to HR Inspire for more career insights, HR strategies, and professional development tips. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your network, especially those planning to attend this conference.